2017 Toyota Corolla. We're gonna clean the throttle body today. This is the throttle body cleaner. This is one of the best service you could do on your Corolla, any Toyota, any vehicle that has electrical throttle body. A lot of time you will have a stall on a red light or stop sign. So to avoid that, clean your throttle body every 30,000 miles. The fluid is only, I'm sorry, I probably got the wrong one over here. This is mass airflow sensor. Let me get the correct. There it is, throttle body cleaner. Very simple on this Toyota Corolla. You're gonna lift this up, okay, and it has a grommet, and this whole thing just comes right off. Let's just put this to the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this 10 millimeter and this 10 millimeter, and this pipe, we're gonna leave that alone. It might not be the best pipe because sometimes it will crack and break, so we just push it to the side. So okay, we can kind of work with it on this end. So let's just remove it from over here. That way it's out of our way. So let's get number 10. So power tools it is today. So number 10 over here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're gonna just remove this from the neck over here. So this is all what you literally need to do, and you could clean everything from right over here. That looks not so bad. But let me just get this side off too, so we can have a good access to that little guy right there. Okay, so what I like to do is I don't like to clean it crazy. I like to just clean the area where the throttle body meets at. Okay, I just want to get all that dirt that's one in there before it goes in there. Okay, there you go, got it. All right, so let me get a rag. So I try to tell every single customer of mine, try, you know what, let's move the camera a little bit this way. Try to not go crazy. You don't want to damage the throttle. A lot of people say, oh, you gotta clean inside. You don't need to go crazy. What I like to do is I just like to kind of with my finger push the throttle, okay, and that should clean out all the nasty stuff. Okay, just gonna make the throttle body real nice. Okay, and all you need is a little spot where it contacts, okay, where it makes the contact when it comes to idle, and that will kind of, you see all that gunk I'm getting out of there, so it will kind of help you idle better. And especially winter time, when winter comes around, that throttle body will jam up. Okay, so pretty much that's all I'm going to do right there. Okay, that should take care of the throttle body for another season or 20-30,000 miles. So it is going to have a lot of gunk come out of it, and that's all you need to do. Okay, next step, we're going to take these pipes and put them back on. Very simple and easy. Okay, try to guide the pipes in the same location. They have like little indications there, indents if you want to call them, and that goes there, that goes there. And do not forget that you need to tighten these. And this clamp goes on, and we're done, and you put your cover on. Bada bing, bada boom. We have successfully done this throttle body cleaning within 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. One thing I do want to say is if you get a check engine light, RPMs higher than expected, all you need to do is either relearn and reset the light. Okay, either relearn is just letting the car sit in idle and run for a good 20 minutes with everything off. AC, heat, wipers, LED lights, everything got to be off. Thank you and bye-bye.